ne abatan eni agiye papa partitu ne won mu a enye nnuro na ye de bonkra no ho ban no won mo enya ebiebe abosome ne kakra ne nnuro ya ye de mankwada ya won foforo no ne ade no ho eye de nanso enei aban na nya bi amode akọ emiamia ahodo a ye de ema abatan no ema ha na odame e de sansemi nto aso eba
Pese bosumi mienu nie ene betu dwa se emofra pomode bambo panie enwa kwatwe ewo omanyi emu apomde adwumayefo etoto sra ban sa dawroma anko wonfa bambo panie bi emra na memenda no ena Ghana Health Service ene betu dwa se bambo panie ne bia beduru oman Ghana mu esenti Adom Kasee echini ayaresabia wodo kwhwe sampa se bambo panie akoduru hono mu a adokotafo ede ewo mofra yi ana yamane boni ha no dame edikai eko adabraka abaya resabia owie no ko maamo bi polyclinic na woni maame esia wode ne ba ebaye so wobe woni pane bi atwetwe enkomo woda aban ase so watimi di ose ayoyo ya wode bambo pane ababedura sese emofra no ewo bie
de na ebi no de na high pa because ono ana ye de boy ba ho ban sese na ebi abade nyam na eda na spa kacha ban se ye da na spa de wa ya amaye aya de bebre ama ya nyim de ebe ka kire asidan kwa na ede man ansi biom suda
enwachi woni nurse ni a wo child welfare clinic adabraka polyclinic Patricia Yeboa etwetwe enkomo wodi tu dwase sesei pane ne bebre aba obetoto asre awofo ne se adaroma wonfa wo ma no emra se be ya wobetimi ade awo mo na watimi akoyade bi etise polio entenchem ene yade awodo bi a etimi eye mofra.
Oh, actually we are all excited anyway, since we need the welfare of the kids. So we will urge all mothers to actually walking into all or any nearby facility around them to take their vaccines. If they are not able to take their vaccines too, there are a lot of diseases around that the children can be able to take on, which will affect them in life, especially like the polio that we have. So please, I will urge all mothers to please go into the facilities and then take all their immunizations, since we have them in stock and there are a lot too. So please, they should come around.